Welcome aboard. Our journey continues across the sparkling Caribbean Sea. And today, we're making a special stop on the western side of the island of Hispaniola. Welcome to Haiti.
Did you know? Haiti is the birthplace of voodoo. Did you know that in 2003, voodoo was declared an official religion in Haiti? Did you know? Despite French being one of the official languages in Haiti, only 5% of Haitians are fluent in French. Bonjour, my name is Maëlle and today is Carnival in Haiti. Everyone in my town is so excited. We wear bright costumes with feathers and beads. People dance in the streets to the sound of rara bands playing drums, trumpets, and bamboo flutes. My cousins and I love the parades. We wave Haitian flags, throw confetti, and eat frité, a tasty street food made of fried plantains and spicy meat. The sun is hot, but no one wants to stop dancing. Even the little kids join in. It's a day full of joy, music, and tradition. Okay, so where exactly is Haiti located? Haiti is in North America, specifically in the Caribbean region. Haiti is located on the western one-third of the island of Hispaniola in the Caribbean Sea. Haiti shares the island with the Dominican Republic. You might be wondering, if the island of Hispaniola is shared by Haiti on the western side and Dominican Republic on the eastern side, do Haitians speak Spanish? The answer is no. The official languages in Haiti is the Haitian Creole and French. The name Hispaniola comes from the Spanish word for Little Spain. The term Hispaniola means one island, two countries. Haiti on the left, Dominican Republic on the right. It's one of the most important and historic islands in the Caribbean. It was the first place where Christopher Columbus landed on October 12, 1492, and it became the first site of European colonization in the Americas. France later took control of western Hispaniola, and that became Haiti in the 1600s. Did you know? In 1804, Haiti became the first free black republic in the world and the second nation in the Western Hemisphere to gain independence. Haiti was a ray of hope for African Americans in the United States during the 19th century. Did you know? When Haitians took their independence in 1804, they changed their colonial name from Saint-Domingue, the name given by the French, to its Taino name of Haiti or Haiti in Creole, which actually means land of the mountains in the indigenous Taino language. Here is a not-so-fun fact about Haiti. The island sits at the edge of a huge geological slab of rock just below the Earth's surface, called a tectonic plate. Because of Haiti's position on the edge of the plate, the country has a long history of very strong earthquakes that cause major damages. Here are a few must-try when visiting. Visit during Carnival and taste griot, fried pork with pickles, spicy slaw, and a refreshing creamus drink. Don't forget to dance to the beat of a rara band. Make sure to visit the historical site Citadelle Laferrière and Bassin Bleu.
Thanks for joining us on this colorful cruise through Haiti. We hope you felt the rhythm, the beauty, and the heart of this incredible island. Remain on board because our next stop is Belize.